Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This is a title, a scalable platform to collect, store, visualize and analyze big data in real time. This is an abstract. Twitter has withstood the test of time as successful social networking platform. In many circles globally, the majority of users choose Twitter when choosing a social media outlet for labeled scientific information and news. However, the Twitter application programming interface limitations do not allow for low-cost data science option for academia. It becomes very expensive for academic researchers to gain the full potential of data analytics available from Twitter using a free API account. The platform supports the collection of social media data and applies many filters for cleaning and further use of machine learning. Our focus has been primarily on healthcare related research, which shows the strength of the presented platform. This is our flow diagram. First we start the process and then we going to select and load dataset. Here we select the load dataset from our repository and load dataset to our database. Then we implement the pre-processing and step. We remove all unwanted simple like here we clean the dataset and next we implement the clustering. Clustering means grouping our data will be grouped here and we group into sentiment wise like a positive, negative and etc. And next we perform as classification process. Here we used to implement random forest algorithm and then we next perform prediction process. Here we enter a tweet and it will give a result. Then the tweet is what type of sentiment will be explore it. At last we perform the analysis and report generation process. Here we run our program. First we run this file index.java. Right click and run this file. This is our project title, a scalable platform to collect, store, visualize and analyze big data in real time, and click next button and click this select data set button. Click our data set, open here and our data set is loaded here. And file is selected successfully. Click OK, click next button and click this save button to save database to our and click the save button. Our data will be stored into our database. Data stored successfully. A message is shown. Click OK. View the database. This is our database stored data. Our data set is successfully loaded into our database. And click next button. We move to next process, and next process is pre-process. Here we pre-process our data set and click to pre-process button. Pre-process is done here and click view data. This is our pre-processed data from our data set, and see the difference between our data set and pre-processed data. First 3-4 columns are removed from the data set, and this is our pre-processed data. And click next button. Here we cluster data from our pre-processed data, like here we cluster 5 types. One is extremely positive, extremely negative, neutral, positive and negative. Our data set will be clustered basis on sentiment, and click extremely positive view. This is our extremely positive sentimental text, and click extremely negative and click view button. This is our extremely negative sentimental text, and click neural, click view button. This is a neutral sentimental text, click positive view. This is our positive sentimental text, click negative view button, and this is our negative sentimental button, click next button. Here we used to classify algorithm is random forest. The random forest used to analyze the uh, data. Click random forest button. Our data will be classified here. Result will be shown here: true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. And click next button. Here our sentimental will be analyzed, and like in this text field we enter any one of sentiment, like this is a one of sentiment text from our data set. Enter here, and this data set will be analyzed. Click analyze button. This is a positive text. This is predicted here, and our process is completed. And here we enter any one of sentiment, and this will be analyzed here. And thank you.